Hey guys, what's happening? This your man Frank. I'm here. I got a new air fryer. There it is right there. It is the Bella Pro Series. There you go. The Bella Pro Series 6-quart air fryer with touchscreen stainless steel. Okay. Just picked it up, so I thought I'd do an unboxing right here with you guys. So I'm gonna hold the camera and I'm gonna use one hand. So this the hand I'm gonna use, guys. This hand is only one hand. All right, let's get into the unveiling. That's the top. That's the top. Now you guys are gonna see it as I see it. Let me move this over some so we can get a better view. All right, here we go. I wish I had one of those little selfie sticks or something. That's our little card, well, a little home. This the inside right here. Okay, she's still wrapped up. Let's take that off. All right, put that down. We don't need that. Here we got our manual. Okay, even got a customer service number on there. All right. That's our manual. Okay, what else we got? Let's look inside. All right, that's the inside of it. That's it, untouched. All right. Now, how I'm gonna get this out with one hand, I don't know. Let me see if I can sit this somewhere. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna work this out some kind of way, some kind of how. Some kind of way, some kind of how. If I see it like that, can you guys still see? Yeah, you can still see. All right, there we go. Now, I'm going to just bring this thing out. I'm going to tilt it so I can get it. I don't want to damage it before I get to use it. You know what I mean? So, that's the box. Unveiling. Boom! Shakalaka. Sorry for the noise, guys. All right, this is it here. All right, let me see if I can zoom in. Can I zoom in? Can I zoom in? Nope, you can't zoom in and out in this mode, it says. All right, well, we're going to leave it as is. All right, so here's the tray. Yeah, let's bring the camera to us. Here's the tray. There's the tray. Let's sit this over here. Okay, and inside of that, I don't know if I can, well, the camera. Okay, inside of that. All right. So we have this thing right here. I know my hands are ashy. You know, I work every day. I work, so, you know, them are hard-working man hands. But we ain't gonna talk about that right now. So that's the tray that comes with it. Put that back in there somehow. Is it a certain way? I have no idea. There it is. All right. And we have the inside of it. Pretty decent, pretty decent. All right. Now, we're going to plug her up and see what she does. Now, if I'm not mistaken, it has to be, the tray has to be in it. Oh, no, there it is. As you can see, the little light right there. Right here. See it? It says, no glasses. It says start pause. So I'm going to put the tray in because they tell me it doesn't work without the tray in. Boom. No. Did I do that right? Boom. All right. Now the tray is in. I'm going to push that button. There it is. Oh, that light. My light is giving you light. All right, there it is. So, what do? We go menu. Look at that. All right, well, air fry. Start, stop, pause right there. Let's get a better look. Start, stop, pause right there. That is the temperature right there. 20 minutes at 400 degrees. And you have French fries, reheat, bake, broil, roast. And the air fryer is flashing. There's the time. There's the menu. Let's try the menu. Okay, 35 minutes on that. 10 minutes on that. 25 minutes on that at 350. 6 minutes at 250. 18 minutes at 360. And so on and so on. Okay. Now the time. All right. We can do our own time right there. Okay, that's the minus, that's the plus. You see? That's the minus. That's the plus. You guys can see that. It's under bake. No, we want to say start, stop. Oh, do you hear it?